Hi, this is Neeraj. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to write a program where we will find second largest number from an integer number. Yes, as per interview perspective, this is very important programs and we will see different approaches. We will write two or three programs where we will use predefined functions as well as we will write our custom logic. So please watch this video till end, and also please don't forget to share your thoughts. And if you can write this program in different way, you can also give reference in comment box. We have an array where we have first value like 10, 5, 7, 6, 9, 11, 14, 13. So we have to find second largest number. So 13 is the second largest number. The largest number is 14, so 13 is second largest number because if you will sort this array now, so it will start from 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, then 13, then 14. So 13 is second largest number. So by the using of program, we have to find this 13. So let's flip to Visual Studio and let me show you. I have write some programs. In first programs, like if you see second largest number method 1. So this is my array where see the value 10, 5, 7, 6, 9, 11, 14, 13. So what I'm doing, I'm using here predefined functions. I'm using short function, then I'm using reverse function, and simply I am trying to find my value using this my array 1 index. Okay, so let me show you, let me debug this and let me show you what's happening here. Yeah, so let me show you. So this is my array. In this array we have different values. On 0 index 10, in first index 5, 7, 6, 9. And what I'm doing, I'm sorting this array using predefined function. This array dot sort, this sort method is predefined. In this method what I'm doing, I'm passing my array and it will sort my array, right? Let me show you. In F10, after F10, see my value is in ascending order 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, and 14. So I need to find second largest. So 13 is second largest. And then what I'm doing, I'm using this reverse function. So array dot reverse, right? Now my array has been reversed like 14, 13, 11, 10, 9, 7, 6. Now it is in descending order. And simply I know this second largest would be on first index. Simply I am fetching this first index, right? There is one more technique. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Without reverse function, I know this array is shorted. So my second largest would be on second last positions, right? So simply in my total length, I am using subtract and I'm doing -2. So it will return my index, my second largest number index, 6. Uh, Let me show you here. 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So total is 8. This in total length I'm doing -2 and then I'm getting my second largest value length or index. So this value is also returning second largest number without reverse functions, right? Let me undo this. So this is the first method. This is the first method, right? We can use different technique also. Let me show you other methods. Let me stop this. First, I need to show the output. So this is 13, 13, 13. I have created three methods, right? The first one I'm using simply short reverse. In second method, what I'm doing, I'm using short function, but I'm not using reverse function. Without reverse, I have already shown one more example. And here I'm also not using reverse. Simply, I have written my own logic, custom logic. So what I'm doing here, this is array dot short. I know after shorting, my second largest number position is 6. This one I know. So what I have done, simply I'm doing the same thing. I'm starting the loop from my array dot length minus 2 on 6. So I'm starting the loop from here. I already skipped this number. So I started my loop from this 13, 14. And then I'm checking here if this 13, let me show you some breakpoints. Okay, so let me show you what value coming here. This is 13, right? And because my loop is started from here, 6 position is the same position, this one 6 position, right? This one I already skipped this value, right? So what I'm doing here, this is, I know this is quick watch, this is 13, and then I'm checking here if it is not matching with largest value, this is 14, then I know this is my second largest value. Simply I'm printing this. So like if someone will ask you to write a program in interview, so you need to follow this approach. First you need to write this easiest way, this is easiest way, so you can write this program. Simply you can use this predefined function, then you can use this reverse, and then you can simply print your second largest value. If you want to print your first largest value, then simply you can also write this line of code. This is your first largest value. Let me write this here. This is your first largest value, right? So if interviewer will ask you to write a program, you can use simply this. And then if interviewer says that like please do not use this predefined, please do not use this reverse and sort, then you can use this method. You can remove the reverse function, you can write your custom logic, you can use sort. If interviewer will ask, "Hey, no, you don't need to write this predefined, you don't need to use this short, you don't need to use this reverse," then we can go with this third methods. In third methods, what I'm doing, uh, I have taken two variables, largest and seconds, and largest and second largest, right? And in the same in this both variable, I have assigned same value. This is default value, like in dot mean value means like in this is the integer minimum value, right? So I have assigned this default value, and I'm using loop, right? So this is my array, this is my array, and I'm using loop. Let me show you some breakpoints here, and it will show you what's happening there. So this is my array, complete array. I'm not using short method, I'm not using reverse method, and simply I have written a custom logic. So this is my array. In this array 10, 5, 7, 6, 9, 11, 14, 13, this all value are coming. And in this largest, see, this is the integer minimum value, right? This is the same value in second also, right? So let me show you, this is my array, and then what happening here, largest is in minus, you can see minus 2 1 4 7 4 8 3 6 4 8, right? This number is in minus. In I we have a 10 first value, right? So let's see what's happening here. If I is greater than largest, then what I'm doing, I'm assigning largest value in second, and largest I'm assigning this I value in largest, right? Simply I'm swapping with two variables. Let me show you. This is F10, and then again will run for this 5. Okay, let me show you. So in largest we have 10, and in I we have a 5. So it will go in LC second and I. So I is greater than second, then it will assign in second. Okay. So what we have, largest is 10, and in second we have 5. Okay. Let's see in coming loop. In I we have 7, right? So what we are doing here, largest have 10, right? And I have 7, right? So it will come in else, and see, second have 5 and I have 5. Sorry, I have 7. So in second, this 7 will come. So simply we have written custom logic for this, and in last it will assign largest variable. In largest variable it will assign 14, and in second largest variable it will assign 13. So if you can debug this code, you can run this code, and let me run F5. So these three methods, these three methods have different logic, and all three methods, these three methods are returning the 13. Right. In first method, what I'm doing, I'm simply using predefined, short, reverse, and then I'm using, you can use simply largest, you can find simply largest value, second largest value, third largest value. And in second method, I'm using predefined function short, and I'm not using reverse. I'm for printing these things, I'm using custom logic, and simply I started my loop uh, from this sixth position, right? So there are two values. Simply I'm comparing like 13 or 14. If like second largest or largest number is not matching, then this 13 like sixth position value is my second largest value. And in third method, simply what I'm doing swapping things like there is two variable, largest, second, and then in largest have largest value, then second have second largest value. So I'm using loop, and I'm using this if else condition to swap the value, right? I have added this code on Git description. I will add this code link. You can download, you can run, and simply you can use this code. If my video is helping you in any way, please like, subscribe, and share. And please don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you. Thank you very much.